A rice to the finish, coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. It is a rice to the finish, lemon herb riced cauliflower. 100% vegan. It is so fabulous, and during our testing of this recipe, everybody was over the moon, rightly so. It is just so darn tasty. We suggest you check out the full recipe and story at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this and over 400 other videos on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel too, please. And then finally, find us on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We've come up with a really interesting way of treating riced cauliflower. I want to show you how to make this recipe, 100% vegan and very tasty. I'm going to start by taking a head of cauliflower. I took out the central core and then I broke up the head of cauliflower into florets. We're taking a food processor, blade attachment, and then you're going to process the cauliflower. I do it in 3 batches and just pulse, pulse, pulse until you're left with this kind of finely chopped cauliflower that resembles rice. A couple other things we're going to do before starting the recipe. I'm going to zest a lemon, then cut it in half and juice it. I'm taking fresh mint and parsley, finely chopping those herbs. I also have 1 cup of hazelnuts onto a parchment lined baking sheet into a 350-degree oven. The hazelnuts toast. Once I've skinned them, I roughly chop them. With those few ingredients ready, we head to stovetop. Large skillet, just shy of high heat. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The coconut oil melts, the skillet is nice and hot. We're adding 2 cloves of garlic, finely diced. A 2-inch piece of ginger, peeled and also finely diced. We're gonna give our cauliflower a little bit of heat, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Those 3 ingredients are nice and sizzly. Now we're taking that riced cauliflower, we're adding it into the skillet. Every couple of minutes, just toss the cauliflower in the pan. You'll see it start to brown and get nice and soft. Little bit of salt. How about some black pepper? Now comes that fragrant lemon zest. Add the mint. Add the chopped parsley. Add the lemon juice. I also have 1 cup of hazelnuts. Do a final toss, maybe a great big stir. Bring your skillet to your work surface, a little spoon, do a taste test. Final seasoning, salt, pepper, a little bit more lemon. How about a tiny bit more of the fresh herbs? Make this dish exactly the way you like it. And trust me, you will like it. In fact, if you're like all of us over here at Weekend at the Cottage, you're gonna love it. Until next time, enjoy. Really good.